Can I or am I allowed to imagine Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in any shape or form? Absolutely not. There is no question about this. There is a hadith about that. That the human beings start asking, right? So who built this masjid? You say Allah allowed it to be built. Who created human being? Allah. Who created the heavens? Allah. And then you will end up saying, who created Allah and who's Allah? Absolutely not. Because that is going to get you to a slippery road. You don't need to ask this question. Look around you. Look around you. Just look around you. Look up. What is this beauty? Look at this chandelier. You probably didn't pay attention. Look at this chandelier. If you spend 2 seconds looking at this chandelier, how beautifully it is done, you're going to see the beauty of Allah's creation. I don't have to imagine Him. And this is why He did not show Himself to us. If you study Aqidah, Creed, they tell you Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala hajaba nafsah. He had concealed Himself, the Him. But how did He presented Himself to you and me? He didn't leave us in the dark. He gave us His names and attributes. But how I'm going to see the names and the attributes? By His creation. How many of you love animals? Show me hands. How many of you love cats? Right? I love cats. Why I'm saying this? Because if you have a cat and you're a person who wants to get connected with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, pay attention to that cat. Pay attention. If she's a she and she delivered kittens, look at that cat in the first 6 weeks. You dare get close to her. Who taught her that? They have no brain. They have no wisdom, right? They have no aql. You try to get there. What's going to happen? She's going to attack you. And don't try that. Who taught these kittens to go and catch the breast of the cat? I'm not talking about the mother. And breastfeed. And then, after 6 or 8 weeks, done. And the mother leave them. Who's that? I didn't teach them, you didn't teach them. That's your creator. Apply it. As Imam Ahmed said, I learned, there's a concept in Tazkiyah, it's called al-muraqabah, meaning watchfulness. You watch yourself, you watch your actions, you hear what you are saying. And he said, I learned this from observing a cat, looking at a hole in the wall, the bottom of the wall, where there is a rat behind it. And she was waiting, observing, watching when this rat is going to come out. I don't need to ask Allah, how do you look like? I'm going to ask Allah how beautiful you are with all this beauty around you. And I'm going to say, Allah, who are you? And you have given all this, created all this, done all this. Don't let shaitan, that's also one of the keys of shaitan, where he distracts you from what you need to know and learn to the things that will take you in a slippery road.